Why does my camera look like that? I don't know. Yeah, that's weird. Hold on. What? Shut up, Tony. Shut up. Why is kind of bothers me? Don't know what's going on. Hmm. Always like that? I don't think so. Let's obsess about this. Good morning. Is it noticeable? It's not really. Yeah, it's a little noticeable. I don't know what the hell's going on. You see that artifacting, kind of. A microphone check, check. Good morning. No one's here. Looks like one person's here on Rumble, but Rumble might not be live. Okay, Rumble's live. Yeah, you can see it. Oh, that's gonna annoy me. It's kind of like, ah, uh-oh, I'm off the rails now, bros. Got this expensive ass camera. I wonder if I like hit a button or something. Uh-huh. Turn around. All right, I'm just gonna try not to worry about it. It's gonna be minimized anyway. I haven't done a blood pressure check in a long time. We're down on the markets today. I don't know what that feels like. Been up like 50 grand first 2 days of the year. Now I'm down 9. That's one of the problems with if you can be up big, you can be down big. And when it goes down, sometimes it goes down faster. Smack you back to reality. First world problem, that camera thing's bugging me, bro. I feel like my blood pressure should be good, but watch it be sky high. 124 over 83. I mean, that's pretty freaking good, to be honest. Let's try it again. I've been taking the Tadalafil every day now for a while. We're down 10 grand. There is a space play I'm really interested in. Really, 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 really. We got Rocket Lab down $2. It's up from yesterday, I think, or about where it was. So we were up big on that yesterday. Tesla, we were up big. Now it's down big. What the hell, bro? What's going on with Tesla? $113 over 86. I saw it creeped up a little. 2 points. I mean, Let's do one more, and I won't talk. I wonder if that's just an issue with that light. It's affecting the whole screen. $115/83. Not bad. Diastolic was in the high 80s. Last time I was checking, lower 90s sometimes. All right. Looks like we're 8 minutes into this sucker and no one's here on YouTube. A couple people look like they popped in, but I'm not sure. They don't like making money? You guys don't like making money, bro? All right. Is it the hat? Is it because I'm wearing the hat today? This is the rally hat. I'm trying to. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? I'm trying to turn this market around. I haven't even checked Bitcoin. Crypto's getting kind of exciting again, no? All right, we're currently down 11, 12, 13 grand. Hopefully it's one of those things where it dips in the morning for a little bit and then rallies. I'm not really loving this Tesla move. We're actually down on Tesla. I'm not sure why it's down. Some coffee and watching crypto start to get a bit jiggy. You know, saying the word jiggy is bad luck. All right, ASTS is up. Let's get Rocket Lab to turn around. I kind of look like Fred Durst with the hat, huh? All right, I like Fred Durst. Fred Durst is cool as shit, bro. Why does everybody want to hate me? Rolling. How does it go? I'll rub your ass raw. I pack a chainsaw, something like that. Someone might have to listen to some Limp Bizkit today. Maybe some Limp Bizkit followed up with some Linkin Park and some Blink 182. Webs from all the spiders. Catching things and eating their insides. Indecision to call you. Hear your voice of treason. SMR up a bit. We made some money on SMR. I think I might leave this on as mostly a free ride. Let's check. Rocket Lab, we're up 15 grand. On SMR, we've realized 7,000 in profit. And we have about 10,000 on. So I'm just going to let that one roll. Let her ride. Almost a free ride. Maybe we can sell some calls here and there like we already have. Lower our cost basis and make that bitch a free ride. You know what I'm saying? All right, Rocket Lab's now down 3. Rocket Lab and Tesla being down are going to hurt the portfolio. Tesla's annoying, dude. Is it because Boston Dynamics posted a video of their robot? That'd be about the dumbest reason ever. This is not really the one I want. But maybe it was. No, it wasn't. Are you laying in bed drinking coffee? All right, here's the problem. This is the space stock I really want to buy. Fly. How much can I buy right now? 30, 26.50. And I have 7,500. Only 283 shares. Uh, 2,300. Maybe I take a loss on this LBI. I need to raise some capital to buy this. God damn it. Why are you off to the races right now? I was thinking about selling some Rocket Lab. I hate to do that while it's down, though. All right, let's lock in 200 shares. In the kitchen looking out the window. Is that really funny? Come on, Irene. All right, so I'm really interested in this fly position. Pretty fly for a white guy. Now, this is a high risk play for a lot of reasons. We'll cover why I like it, but before I do, I just want to say that this is a low cap. So if you're just like wanting to degen in because I've been winning a lot lately, that's not a formula for success, guys. That's not a formula for success. I implement a lot of different things, a lot of different strategies. I cover these things all the time, have extra income, being able to deal with pain, being wrong. And so you would have to be in my exact situation and 100% copy trade me when I did it. And if I'm successful, you're successful. You change any of those variables, you might end up being more successful or less successful. Like, I'm going to put some money into this fly. If I'm wrong, it's a small percentage of my portfolio. You YOLO dolo into it like, oh man, Tom's on a streak. I'm going to YOLO. And I'm wrong on that one. You're done. You're cooked. You know what I'm saying? So you got to learn how to swim on your own, bro. Copy trading's stupid. All right. What was I going to do? Fly. I've already looked. 4 billion, dude. 4.2 billion. So they are the first commercial. Did you hear the words that just came? They are the first commercial space company to land on the moon. What? They got a lot going on. They got, social buzz. They got, what do they got? But because it's a low cap space company, it's low cap. High growth, meaning they can dilute a lot. They're going to need to do cash raises and etc., which is stock dilution. The biggest thing is they're a space company. Space is hard, bro. Rockets blow up. We've gotten a lot better at it, but I would imagine there's only so many really good rocket scientists on the planet. You know what I'm saying? And SpaceX is going to have a lot of the best. I don't know how like Rocket Lab and ASTS and a lot of these places stack up. I don't know, there's like 8 billion people on the planet. So you can have, you know, 20,000 really smart rocket scientists by now, I guess. I don't know. But rockets blow up, shit happens, and that can cause the stock to plummet. If you want to like a really good example of that, go watch some old videos of Dead Inside and him YOLOing a bunch of money into some rocket company. I don't remember, bro. And he was it was some of these launches were a comedy of errors. Like he was sitting there watching his portfolio and the rocket was launching and it started like going sideways and shit. And you can just see his stock plummeting. Uh-oh, we got a lot of red happening right now. Ugh. I mean, we had a couple really good up days, but we're getting hammered right now. This is one of those days of pain, it looks like. What's going on with Tesla? Filled the gap and looking lower. He's not losing any sleep over NVIDIA. Yeah. Oh, is this why? Is that why? Because NVIDIA said they're working on full self-driving with Mercedes. They got to upgrade to 600. Tesla warning 50% Fibonacci. Where is that going to? Oh, 4. Big deal. That's practically where we are now. All right, so the NVIDIA news might be part of it and a little bit of manipulation. Check in on crypto real quick. Bitcoin 93.8. Where were we at yesterday? I don't remember. Around 94, weren't we? Cardano at 43. Kurt's starting to think about removing the rope from the rafters. Thinking about it. It's still up there. He's still standing on the stool, thinking about it. Praying to the gods, like, come on, let's continue to go up. I really don't want to end it. Sure, man. This guy's pretty cool, by the way, if you've never watched him. He's big on Nike. I think he's a really rich dude because he has like a company or something. I'm not sure. First world problems. Maybe he started streaming again because he doesn't get a lot of views. Started streaming again because he needs some money. I don't know. Bad news. I'm back. Yeah, this looks like it's real, not green screen.
Happy holidays. What's up, everyone? I'm Dead Inside, backed by unpopular demand, and I have a question. You know what lost porn is? Lost porn. That's like when people are taking pictures of their porn. Been dropping quite a bit. But to make this,
I mean, that's a real pool. Unless it's that's a real pool, bro. So if that's his house, he's not struggling. I want to find, I'd love to find that video and what company. Did he delete all those videos? Sometimes this YouTube thing sucks. Oh, popular, reacting to losing $116 in seconds. Yeah, I wonder if this is the one where it goes sideways and shit. What company was this? Astra. I think this is it. So this is what can happen when you invest in space. He's got an $800,000 portfolio in Astra right now. I mean, just in Astra, which isn't. I don't know what is. I mean, was he fully ported? I don't know. The chat's going crazy. He's got 160,000 subscribers, and he doesn't. 30. He's down 60 grand and hasn't even lifted off yet. Oh, they aborted. So this isn't. So he lost $100,000 over an abort. I want to see the one. I wonder if this is it. Well, that one looks good so far. I think it blows up. Well, he's got a boner right now. See, I want to see the one where it went sideways. I'm pretty. That one failed. I want to see the one where it went sideways. That shit's so funny. Why wouldn't that be like one of the most popular ones? There's someone already. That one aborted. We already looked at that. Oh well. Anyway, one of them like it immediately just like it was hovering above the ground, going sideways and shit. Who's this freak? Jason in the house. Long time no see. How you doing, brother? We need a poo-poo report. We haven't had that one in a while. See what dumbass is up to. He's some dude. He's pretty cool, bro. Check him out. I like his style. He's bullish on some stuff right now. Nike and drone stocks and space still, I think. I don't know. So he might be scared of space now. But he was betting big on Astra back around COVID, and his streams were pretty funny because he would just lose a shitload of money, and these shits were like going sideways and aborting and blowing up. I don't even know if Astra is still in business. What's their ticker? I thought it was ASTR. Astra. I mean, they look like they're. What's their market cap? Had a very small market cap, 12 to 16 million. However, it's important to note that stock suggests it is not actively trading with its. Funding issues and shifts in strategy. See, you could have invested in this one and went. You could have. He may. I don't know how much of his portfolio or how much of his net worth he had in this stock, but he got wrecked. No, it no longer does launch services. And they still have a website. 4-pager. That means there's nothing there. 4-pagers, like, why even bother? It's the, does that mean half a page of new stuff? Or did he? Oh, he's got smaller font. He's actually got some stuff. Caution, major catalyst start tomorrow. Yesterday played exactly as expected. Drop at bottom, 617 bounce. I knew he would still be. I even said yesterday he's probably still talking about that 617. Suggest people are exhausted, whatever. Hot jobs, rate cut, weak jobs, blah. We get Goldilocks growth. He just a bunch of weird rambling. If we collected jobs, Sam would have. Some weird. Like Psalm would have triggered. What's Psalm? Like, do you just have to nonstop listen to this guy to understand? That's a woman who is engaged. Potential recession. Oh, I remember that one. Whatever, dude. It begins tomorrow. 6:45, January 7th, ADP. Oh, that's tomorrow. Jolt. I'm not. Generate jobs critical. Anything over 40K is probably good. The jobs report is the first full jobs report. They're going to cook that shit, right? Today's warning, profit taking after, bro, they've been profit taking since the opening bell. If we fall through 617, 607 is where we want to hold, whatever. If I'm wrong today, watch for, like, why would I feel sorry for anyone that pays for this, like now, going forward. Okay, Bitcoin 93.7. I don't even want to check, bro. Down 18 grand. Ugh. That's frustrating. Flies down. Of course it is. I should have waited to buy. Like, I want to buy more fly, bro. Maybe I just take the loss on Black Sky or 500. I don't hate that. That's actually up. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? All right, I'm going to sell 500 of this and we'll take a loss. 10,700 times 30. I mean, that's not going to get me. Where you been, Jason? My theory was your wife took you on vacation to the Bahamas. ASTS is up. Oh, you know what we can do? Ugh. Dare I? Yeah. I'm going to buy some of this in the small account. I'm pretty fly for a white guy. Is there any juice in this? Not bad. This thing doesn't want to fill. E-mini S&P up 27. NASDAQ up 175. Everything I'm in is getting rocked. Oh, come on, brother. This thing is screwing me right now. All right. I'm going to sell a covered call in this. 45 days out. Optimal time, 35. 17% chance, $1.50, mids 187. Let's see if we can get that. Probably not. Liquidity, 2-star liquidity, pretty low. We're going to probably have to go down to, we're just going to stair step this down and see what happens. All right, we got filled at 172. That is excellent. So I bought it at 25.18. Currently sold a covered call at 172. So 25.18 minus 172 is 23.36 is my cost basis on that. I love it. It's now down 84 cents. I want to buy this. Like, I want to get to 1,000 shares of this. I like it that it's down. The problem is anything else I sell. Fly, bro. Oh, what do you mean you can't see? You're driving or something? Yeah, I talked about Fly. We talked about how risky it is because it's space, it's low market cap, it's high growth. So I'm allocating some funds to it. I like it a lot. We haven't really talked about much of why I'm starting to get giddy about it, other than they're the first commercial space company to land on the moon. It's tough. I want to buy it, but the best way for me to buy it is allocate some Rocket Lab funds. Man, I don't know if I want to give up some Rocket Lab funds. All right, the unloved half of space duopoly. Why I bought Fly today. While Rocket Lab, my second largest position, has captured the retail imagination in a premium valuation, Firefly Space, currently trading in post-IPO purgatory after going public in mid-2025. They're definitely in that like J curve. Chris in the house. Whatever happened to space? It's still there. 240p when I'm driving. Stock and metal rotation and crypto incoming? Maybe. Yeah, the major announcement is I just want this Fly. I really like it. You missed that this is high risk. The market is pricing Firefly as a small launch also ran, ignoring that it is the only other entity besides SpaceX and Rocket Lab with a flight-proven response orbital vehicle and a successful lunar landing under its belt. They have landed on the moon, bro. Retail company, the only one, I think. The 2026 thesis rests on the company graduating from small launch to medium launch, the most lucrative segment of the space economy. 4 billion market cap, guys. What is Rocket Lab, like 30 billion right now? Tesla is looking to be 1.6 trillion. I mean, come on, bro. $24 billion, is that it? 40 billion? Make up your mind. 40.6 billion. I first started investing in this when it was what, 30 billion or maybe a little bit less. I was late to the party. This one was down $4 at one point, starting to make a comeback. Tesla's down 15. SMR's red. MBTS green. LWLG is another one I like. I bought 5,000 shares of that one. And Fly is cheap right now, bro. I can just take a loss on Black Sky. Ugh. And rotate into Fly. I like Fly better than Black Sky. I got to get over taking a loss. The second I sell this one, it's going to moon. I really don't. I'm going to have to rob from Peter somewhere. Like I would sell iron, but this one, crypto and these miners are kind of hot again. SMR going green. I mean, I think I want to sell some Rocket Lab. Kind of like, I knew you would. That chart screams Ricky, bro. That definitely screamed Ricky. All right, the three catalysts. The Neutron competitor, that's Rocket Lab's reusable. While everyone watches Rocket Lab Neutron, Firefly, in partnership with Northrop Grumman, which is a big defense contractor, is preparing the medium launch vehicle, the medium launch, for its maiden flight. This rocket uses flight-proven engines and existing infrastructure. Wallops and Vandenberg. I don't know what Wallops is, but Vandenberg is where the recent is Air Force Base down in Southern Cal. If MLV flies successfully, Firefly instantly becomes the second source for Pentagon heavy lift contracts, breaking the SpaceX EULA monopoly. This one's worth some gambling, bros. Lunar leadership, Blue Ghost. Firefly already achieved what many failed to do, a soft lunar landing. What's a soft? In 2025, in 2026, Blue Ghost Mission 2 launches to the far side of the moon, carrying NASA's Lucy Knight. A second success would cement them as the FedEx of cislunar space. I don't know if two successful deliveries makes you the FedEx. Justifying a higher multiple than pure launch. Can we settle on a 20 and I'd really like... Oh, you and your fucking greed, bro. Like, what are you looking at that you're like, oh, this needs to go to 20? Let's see, is there a... 2316 and 2136 would be like, oh, if it goes down to those... If it goes down to either one of these, so it's already bounced off this. If it back tests it and goes back up, you buy it for technical analysis. This landing needs some. Oh, yeah. Good point. Because it was soft. I get it. Responsive defense. Victor Hayes. Firefly is a primary contractor for Space Force's tactically responsive space. This program requires launching a satellite within 24 hours of a call up. Firefly has proven they can do this. Few others can. Fly, Rocket Lab. Holding both Fly and Rocket Lab is a smart way to index. Pros and cons. Rocket Lab stumbles on Neutron. Firefly is the logical backup. If Rocket Lab will have setbacks, they're most likely not going to fail. All right. I'm wanting to sell some Rocket Lab to buy some Fly. The Hyundai robot uses. What are you fucking talking about? That doesn't even make sense. Flash ripped. Oh, is it up? I haven't even checked that shit. I'm probably down money. Jason took me down on that piece of shit. The market's looking like it wants to ignite. Tesla's turning around. We're getting ready to get jiggy, boys. I think I need to sell. I don't. All right, I just sold some Rocket Lab. I still have 2,500. Let's buy this. I don't know. Hopefully I can get. Yes. Boom. All right, so I have 1,000 shares. I'd like 100 more. I don't know if I have that. I don't. I mean, I can just take this call off. Fly is now my, well, I don't know, it's around my third biggest, fourth biggest, maybe fifth biggest, right around there. It's a smaller position. Rocket Lab and Tesla are by far the biggest parts of my portfolio, like 80%. All right, bros. We're screaming now. We're starting to rally. I was down 20 grand at one point. Now I'm only down to 10. Anyway, that's the hot alpha on Fly. I love it. In fact, I muck love it. It's going green now. Ricky's waiting for his. Fucking kidding me. Like, maybe we get there. Like, who knows? The jobs. Meet Kevin says we could start recession, Psalms, and all this. Maybe, bro. Maybe. Are you really going to buy it if it crashes $4 in one day? Like, is that really when you're going to pull your dick out of your pants and plop it on the table and actually do anything? Brett Veach, this is your offensive coordinator. No. No. This guy was an idiot with Shador. No. Let's see what the replies are. I'm not a fan. He won Coach of the Year. He had 5 different. Okay, I mean, I'm starting to warm up. I wouldn't want him for free. Gruden? Oh, yeah, I love Gruden. Gruden's not really an offensive minded coach, is he? Hell no. Hell nah. Yeah, Eric Bieniemy for sure. Eric Bieniemy would solve a lot of the problems we had last year, especially like you want to go out there and do false starts and do dumb shit. You're going to be doing push-ups and getting screamed at. He's one of those tough love motherfuckers. Gen X. Real quick Wordle alert. I got it again yesterday with this trick. Ooh. Starting out not so hot. Oh. All right. M. MP? Pumpy? Pompey? No Y. Pomp? Only O's? So that has to be an O. That has to be an O. So OM. OMEP or piece OM something P. It would have to be an O. That's not it. So it's got to be MP. OMP. It has to be OMP. Omp. Bomp. Vomp. Comp. Zomp. Comp. Jomp. Homp. Womp. 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 Wompo? Come on, bro. What is. All right. Uh-oh. That's all I do is win, bro. Are you guys getting disgusted at how good I am at trading? Does it not upset you? Are you not jealous? Do you not wish that you could do this? I know Ricky does. Let's see what crypto's doing. All right, Bitcoin 94.1. Let's go, baby. WAP, WAP, WAP. No, there's no A. What are you talking about? SW? No, it's something OMP. There's no real words. Romp? Rompo? No. Oh, it could be M. No, it could be an M. Mop? Mop? Bomp? I guess it could end in O. Something moo? Moo? No. The only vowel is O. Wow, you're not talking about Wordle. What are you talking about, bro? What's Solana doing? What's Knight doing? Knight 7 cents. Oh, I mean close to 8. Sui, haven't looked at that in a while. I don't remember if I still. I don't think I have Sui anymore. Celestia. Ugh, that's one of the worst trades I've ever made in my life. Fucking Farnswoggle, bro. He should get a lifetime ban for that one. ETH3291. That's right around where I sold my half my ETH. I think ETH is going to push all-time highs. Am I going to go out and buy it? No. If we have a nice rally, blow it up, crypto goes really high, and I can get ETH to go up really high and Cardano to go really high, I'll sell what I have left and be pleased as punch. Sui is ripping. They're adding a privacy. Okay. Sui is, yeah, Sui is up like 25%. I wouldn't, I mean, you can invest in crypto right now as a short-term trade if you want. Some of this shit's getting really stupid. This Nick Sorter guy, I think he just makes shit up. Breaking: President Trump just announced that his administration has launched a fraud investigation into the state of California. Okay, let's see if this is true. Yeah, I'm back in for this. SH. Is this factual? Short-term relief. Yeah, I don't hate it. I'm not touching it, but I don't hate it. I don't want to sit there and watch I haven't been watching the crypto charts hardly, and it's been awesome. I'm getting cold. I don't want to take the rally hat off though. This is a cool look, right? Yes, the content is factual. Donald Trump is going after Newsom. That doesn't surprise me. There's probably fraud there. Mickey Rourke is asking everyday people to pay his $59,000 back rent. You can fuck right off, dude. You think he would be able to get some kind of acting gigs? I wonder how much money he's wasted on like drugs and like dumb shit. Like, fuck that guy, bro. Everyday people shouldn't be paying for his rent. Maggie's the scapegoat. I don't disagree. He needs to do an yeah. I don't know. Rocket Lab's only down $1. Let's go. Nvidia's the one. I mean, Tesla's the one that's hurting today, but that's whatever, bro. That is whatever. Iron's actually down today. It should be up. LWLG I've gone green on. I am freaking hungry. The western United States just had its warmer December and I don't know. It was pretty cold. Yeah, I guess this area where I live in this area right here, I guess that escaped it. I mean, it hasn't been too cold lately. The mystery building. The fuck is this? Looks like just some rocket making. Adam Cooker. Jupiter launched a stable coin. Who cares? I don't even know what I have going on Solana. Got that stupid Clash coin. What's its market cap? Where do I even check that shit? I don't remember. $38, $40 million? I'm actually not down that much. He's still hustling. Jupe USD, that shit's not gonna be successful. Why would anyone use that? Tether, isn't Tether and USDC over there? Why would anyone want to use that dumbass low liquidity coin? George Clash prediction market is up and running. Let me explain to you how George's prediction market works. He had someone. So what is? Does it use Kalshi? I bet it uses Kalshi. Is it George? What is the website? You bet on fucking. Is this it? This is the dumbest URL I've ever seen of myself. Seen of my, GeorgePlaysClash.com? What do you mean GeorgePlaysClash.com? Site disabled. Oh, George, that's the website? You know, you can actually put the URL in the chat. Like, only down $6,000, boys. Ah, not a bad looking website. I mean, it looks like something you would see in the 90s. Sign up. You out of your fucking mind? Discord? Not a pro? No, everyone starts somewhere? This doesn't look like a prediction market, bro. This is just a website for his buffet ass. This guy's a grifter, dude. This isn't a prediction market yet. Unless I'm stupid and didn't see the link. Is he only going to predict on like the tournament or just prediction market in general? He's too small time for that kind of shit, bro. Silver, ooh, shit, hit $80 an ounce. Where's Faldor? He's probably cleaning up all the white goo. Fly is ripping, boys. I think he's still testing. Pretty fly for a white guy, bro. That shit's ripping. Your bitch ass wanting to buy it at 20. Your simp ass sitting there half stepping. My Nikes. Like, see, this is why I'm like, I like Nike, but this is just not this is a slow cooker, bro. Just checked in their Discord. You're going to tell me, why do you? Rocket Lab about to go green. Oh, we're about to blast off, boys. What is it? The 6th day of the year? And we're already up 40 grand for the year, guys. About to go much higher. Oh, Meet Kevin's over there worrying about fucking 617 on the Qs and giving you super long. It keeps going further out in time. Oh, this one's a really long-term play, LDI. Yeah. You're going to be in that one for decades at this rate. Has he changed anything on his fucking, he doesn't even, is he not even 10 stocks? Yeah. Very slow, riskier. Like he keeps adding the list for stock likes medium term, MP and open. What a fucking clown. He's over here talking about MP. What is that? The protein company? rare earths. Open, what do they do? Open door. Boring. Still RKT stronger. Below is a mega long term. Do not expect these to go up in the short term. That's actually bad. So what am I supposed to do? It's bad. It's harder for us to own more. Not really. It's harder for you to hold on to it. Also, not personal financial advice. Also, I'm a clown. He fucking admitted to it, bro. UI, like, how's that one? How's that one doing? I've been laughing at that play for some time, bro. Like, I don't hate it, but it's not. Oh, yeah, that one's been working out, eh? Axon, dumb. Stupid, bro. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, this guy is who you're paying. You're paying him money for this, bro. Can he get any LDI terrible figure? This was overhyped. That one's doing well. Good for him. He finally his fifth 1 out of 5 so far. Meta, like I don't hate Meta. Most people aren't buying this one though. So I did think this was a good pickup after this crash. Into it. Come on. Netflix. Expect Netflix to keep falling. Okay. Circle. Path. Path was a stupid one. Circle. I wouldn't touch this one, bro. Not now. Yeah, this guy is a clown. Kevin's tempted list. Who cares? Stocks not to buy for the next 10 years. AI data centers. Okay, dummy. Carvana. How's that one doing? Is he the inverse Kramer? The inverse meet Kevin? Carvana's been blasting off and he said not to buy it. Like, I agree, don't buy Carvana, but he's wrong. Extremely bearish STRC. I don't disagree with him on that one. Well, I mean, I'm not extremely bearish, but I wouldn't. I would avoid this one. Hating MK for being smart long-term investor. He's not. I think he just tries to find stuff and put stuff up just to be, just because he's a big streamer. Oh, I gotta. Like, that's one of the problems you can have. Like, oh, I gotta have content. Oh, Io in the house. How you doing, brother? Just got here. Oh, it's been starting off bad, but it's trying to turn around. Like I've been there, like, oh, I gotta have something to trade for people to come by. Don't come. You know what? I didn't do shit in my IRA for like basically 2 years waiting for Coinbase to play out. And that's the play. Like, I'm trying to lock into what I like, and I don't see myself wanting to do a whole lot right now. Like a little bit of moving here and there. But now it's lock in and just wait for it to play out. The space stuff. Well, the space stuff's a little medium term. The Tesla's long term. The space stuff is fluid. I got to see what happens with the IPO. But I read a thread. I don't know if it was true or not, but the bro's just like, he found a strategy that works, and he went from trading like 60 hours a week to 10 hours a month. And he would just sit and wait for an engulfing candle with a bearish engulfing candle with support on the daily, and he would go long, and it had like a 61% win rate. And he started making like, I don't know, $1 million a year off that shit. His ability to navigate the highs and lows is unmatched. Yeah, I agree. Unmatched, all right. It's hard to be that wrong. It's hard to be as bad as he is. Bro, he is such a grifter. I hate to break it to you. Uh, he never hoodwink you in a chain link. You like my thesis, and I aborted. So I played that one pretty good. I was wrong about being a silver platter, although it's still in play. Like crypto's back in play. I'm not touching it. I aborted, right? I changed my mind, aborted, lost like $60, bro. $59. And that's why you missed the part where I said you copy trading me is not going to work. You're going to have like the same bankroll I have, the same like mental fortitude I have, the same like income I have, the same debt to income ratio I have, and do every trade exactly as I do. And if I'm right, you're right. But if you want to just cherry pick this play and that play, that's you. And your size is you. Watch your size, right? But if you're just going to cherry pick my plays and it goes south, I told you I could be wrong. And not only was I wrong on Link, I said I'm done. I'm out. I'm out at break even at a little bit of a loss, right? So don't come at me. I don't sit here and tell you that this is a guaranteed or this is a, or really change. Like if I change, I don't really change like these. I did on SMR and I gave valid reasons and I started selling and I made a profit on top of it all, right? Can't complain like North Korea. They can complain, can't they? I only went in and out this morning. RKLX only made my son's account 460. Not bad. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad, bro. Tesla down 15. Rocket Lab is literally trying to go green. Fly? We're only up a little bit on that one. ASTS up big. I should consider selling a call on that one, but it's going to hit 100. There's some good premium. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I don't want to get too cute with these rocket plays. I got to remember that it's the SpaceX IPO is my thesis, bro. Fly just went red. This Nike position's boring, dude. I like it, but I don't love it. You know what I mean? It's a boring position. I can sell that and buy some more Fly. Not a lot, but a little. I'll leave it on in respect to JT for now. Again, who does this? I mean, who shows their entire portfolio and what they're doing in their live trades like this? Find me anyone. One example. Financial education is kind of transparent. Like he has a public portfolio, I guess. But you got to pay him thousands of dollars to be a member to get his trades, I think. Take a screenshot of it. Every position I have on in my small account, my IRA right now. I've been watching the NVIDIA is in and out. Oh man, yeah, be careful with those. If you enjoy trading it and whatever, go for it. Like those aren't my kind of thing, bro. That's more gambling. if you got a good, you got good setups and you're staying mechanical on what works for you, and go for it. I don't have that kind of time either. Like I'm working. I don't know. I'm working all the time, so I can't sit there and watch charts and shit all day. I just buy good stocks or what I think are good stocks and hold. Hold into your right. Plan B. You all know plan B, right? Plan A, watch your size. Plan B, hold into your right. You don't always hold into your right, but you try and hold until you're right. Ricky takes that one with a death grip. Your fly is down. It's up. I like the terror, to be fair, but I do it as a side. I spend 20 minutes a day. Oh, I'm not. Trust me, I'm not. I wish you the best on it. Yeah, but at least you're in and out on them quickly. Come on, Rocket Lab. Here we go. It just, once it goes green, it's over. Rocket Lab's green, boys and girls. Rocket Labs will buy them dips. You know the rule. If it hits 80, it's going to 100. Actually, that's not a rule I've told you before. But that's a rule according to Shardy B. What's your average? mRNA running? Yeah, why don't you go fucking load the boat on KView, dummy? Now, you literally watch me buy it. It's my average is right around here. I'm up $400 on 1,000 shares, so like 25.50, 25.40, 25.36 on 700 shares, 25.15 on 100 there, 26.74 on some there. So right around here, right around 25.70 probably. And the small account, it's 25.19, bro. And you sit there and wait for 20. You might get your 20, bro. But you're not going to be buying at 20. You're going to lose interest. And I told you it's a high risk play. So this is a little bit like going to the casino, but I like the hello? No. Are you trolling me? Tesla getting rocked. Tesla's killing me today. Rocket Lab's going green as fuck though. So is Fly. Can anyone else hear me? Is Ricky trolling me, boys and girls? Amazon, the shorts are trying so hard to hold Rocket from breaking highs while ASTS is ripping. There could be a short squeeze. I restarted. Thank you for being honest. ONS, AXTI, what's that? RDW looking good. I don't know why Rocket Lab has to go down. Yeah, ASTS, boom. Team Shardy does it again. She thinks. Well, let's see how good she is when the market goes down. LWLG. I think I have a lot of that one, don't I? Only 5,000 shares. This portfolio is set up to potentially have a really good year. But I can also get caught with my pants down. Sweet AI was like, oh my goodness. I think I still have that shit, to be honest. But it was down 90%. So it's going to have to go up like 2,000% or 10,000%. Man, ASTS is ripping. We're up 4,400 in the small account for the year. Yeah, everyone is a genius in a bull market. Me, Kevin's not. Like, me, Kevin's getting all kinds of shit wrong, bro. And I'm not even like, I'm not saying anything that ain't true. Like, maybe he'll be right, but that guy is not doing so hot lately. Ooh, he bought Nvidia, Tom. This camera thing's really bugging me, dude. I wonder if there's like another program open that's kind of fucking with it or something. Why has a lawsuit against them? Yeah, thanks for bringing that back up. Companies always have lawsuits against them. A flight currently refers to a made fraud class act against Firefly, falsifying statements about its rocket launch. Seems like a frivolous. So they lost a major loss of rocket stage Alpha Flight 7 in poor 2025. Yeah, this is some lame shit. That scares you. I told you it's a high risk stock. Brought it, that company, I remember quote, yeah. They brought it down. It doesn't even, yeah. That's just some scumbag lawyer. Like, they just go around looking to try and get class actions going over like all kinds of shit. Frivolous patent lawsuits, frivolous stock fraud because the stock goes down. Aubrey Plaza is looking kind of rough, boys. She's been through some shit though. Her husband, I don't remember. Did he commit suicide? Husband did? Died by suicide. Yeah, why would you kill yourself if you had Aubrey Plaza as a wife? What do you think of the iPhone 17? It's upgraded from what? What did you have before? You got tired of her cheating? She was cheating on him? That's kind of fucked up. Is that true? So she's responsible. I don't know if AI, oh, maybe not. No, there's no credible evidence. Maybe the tabloids freaked him out. 13. I went from a 12 to a 17, and it's longer battery life, a little bit faster. So, no, there's no AI. Or I have that shit turned off or it's not very good. I don't really have any noticeable AI. I might have it disabled though. Like I think there's some like chat stuff, text stuff it can do, but I don't think I get any of that to be honest. So I might be missing out. I've never used Siri. For me, the real noticeable difference is it's a little bit heavier in the hand and longer battery life. Enhanced integration runs fully. Siri improvements. I don't. Visual intelligence. Long press of the camera uses the camera feed for real time analysis, object identification. That might be cool. For the camera. Writing tools. Maybe. Photos and media. Yeah, whatever. I don't use it. I use my phone as a phone to text, to browse Twitter, and play Fallout Shelter. There's not any good AI. There's some okay AI, I guess, with photos and shit. She talked and she was very friendly. What is that? Doesn't mean she was fucking other dudes. Like, bros, I gotta go to work. Small account's positive, but it doesn't have Tesla. Tesla's what we're down 8,400 on Tesla and down 7,200 on the account. She was hoeing around. She was hoeing around fail. Message retracted. Can't even spell hoeing right. Dummy. I don't know why everyone spells hoe H-O-E. She was hoeing for sure. Somehow along the way, hoeing, they added an E to it. That's not how you spell hoeing. Apparently it is now because so many people get it wrong. That looks kind of weird. Hoeing is they primarily dig or weed with a hoe. A garden hoe is H-O-E. Hoe. I think technically this should be how it's spelled. Yeah. But this is a garden utensil. They even covered this on the shield. But everyone spells it H-O-E now. So I guess it's kind of like chomp at the bit. The correct vernacular is champing at the bit, which doesn't make a lot of sense. But that's Old English or some shit. Now everyone says chomp at the bit. Well, 95% of the world says chomp at the bit. So it's even though it's incorrect, it's correct just by brute force. I was hoping the portfolio would go green by the end of the stream. Philosophical debates about hoes. Pimpinho.com. I love that song. Pimpinho.com. That was a later Too Short song that was actually good. His first two tapes were really good. His second one was probably his most popular with what was some of the songs in there? I'm brain farting hard. And then he would start pumping out a bunch, and like he would have a tiny hit here and there, but pimpinho.com was a good one. I can't think of any songs. Champ at D's Bits, good one. That was a good one, Jason. Good to see you back, brother. You were missed. The poo-poo report was missed. How's the SPXM2? We haven't looked at that in a while. Still hovering at the midway point. Crypto, Bitcoin 93.5. Struggling. ETH up a bit. We didn't look at bonds. Bonds at 115. I don't think there's going to be a rate cut this month. God damn it. 22 days. Current. $350 to $375. 85% chance of no rate cut. 15% chance of rate cut. Gold at 44.88 on the futures. Silver at 80 on the $80.30 on the futures. That one, man, I tell you, I feel like that one's going to start losing steam, but I thought that at like 60. Rappers now gay as hell. Are they? Flamboyantly gay? I mean, just that one that did the Western one. Like, there's a lot of gay rappers. I guess Will Smith is gay now. Rocket Lab screaming, let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. All right, boys and girls, I got to get to work. I wish I could just do this all day long, but you know how we be. Hit the like, hit the subscribe.